We about to be catfishing in these streets talking about, is that your hair? You're like, yep, honey, I just got a silk press. Like, girl, this is why they are the trendsetters. Like, sensational, sit back, take notes. Like, you're still riding the wave of your name, but you need to get it together and hop on the Outre boat. Outre. Chef's kiss, that's all I can say. Chef's kiss, Outre. Cut my check, coming for the neck. Take what I want, cause I earn my respect. I be the connect, expect to get left. Unless you gon' get right, what the hell did you expect? Como se dice, se pato o plomo. Been taking it easy, like poco a poco. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. They play their role, they're selling their soul. They pay their toll as they get in control. Getting exposed and letting it show. Setting up failure, watching it grow. I know I can see your eyes closed, cause my eyes be wide open and now everyone knows. Picking up the pieces, releases the piece that you've been told. Holding on to breathe, you proceed to believe you're free suppose. I can hear the weak that's just sneaking and seeking to dispose. I smelling inside of your clothes, repelling the stuff in my nose. Your friends are foes and you ain't living in reality. No originality, where's your personality? You're a whole disparity, a joke from the hilarity. My eyes wide open, you're so close. You try to lie inside, it shows. Ain't got no pride, you're denying it though. You hide behind the wall of your foes. All of your clothes and all of your hoes. What does it even matter? These friends, they come and go. Your life is a disaster. You reap it what you sow. You master sell with laughter. Get you a tissue roll. I see you digging holes. Been burning bridges so. Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Fake Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos weekly. So today, honey, I'm coming back to you guys with yet another new unit. This one is from the new Outre 5x5 closure wig collection. I'm wearing this one in the style HHB Yaki straight 26" in the color number 2. So let me just pop right into the specs of this one. So with this unit, you do get your typical cap construction as far as your 2 combs in the front, your 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. This one does also come with an elastic band that is not adjustable. It comes with baby hairs. It is pre-plucked, honey, and it does come with 5x5 hand-tied HD lace parting space. So, honey, let me just come in and show y'all the hairline on this one. So as y'all can see, because it is a 5x5 closure wig, you don't get the lace that goes ear to ear, but nonetheless, it is definitely still workable. The lace stops right here on each side where you see my baby hair swooped. So the only area you're not going to get that additional lace is going to be from here to here. And what I do like is that it blends pretty good. Like, you don't really notice that the tracks start here. Honestly, the construction of this wig is so much better than I thought it was going to be. I've never tried a 5x5 wig before, so I was a little bit questionable about it, but honey, this wig is doing what it needs to be doing. This is going to be absolutely amazing. If you're somebody who is new to wigs, this is absolutely beginner friendly because, honey, all I had to do was slap this bad boy on my head, add my concealer, do my little mousse and swoopty swoops, and honey, I do not have any adhesive. I did put a little bit of my Bold Hold spray just on the baby hairs just to get them to lay down like I wanted to, but I didn't go and spray underneath and adhere it down or nothing like that, girl. I am absolutely here for this. I feel like with all the frontal units that I reviewed in the past, for the most part, most of them are not glueless, and I do have to go in with my adhesive. What I am absolutely here for this unit, honey, I did not need that whatsoever, and I'm still feeling the security from the unit. Like I said, this is 26 inches. I'm 5'3" for reference, and it does come just below my boobs. The density on this one is super natural. It's like 130%, so if you're somebody who likes like a natural density, this one is definitely going to be for you. The texture of this unit, y'all, is beautiful. This is giving me a relaxed yaki. It is beautiful. The quality of this hair feels very nice. Like, the construction looks good, y'all.
I'm honestly just surprised at how much I like this. This is honestly making me want to hop on the 5x5 closure wig train, because the fact that this was such minimal work to get this realistic look. Y'all, I don't know what they did with the lace, but honestly it feels like the lace is different than their past units. The lace feels much better. The construction of the lace, I feel like they're using a better lace. It seems more thin. It seems much easier to get the melt. Like, when I tell you guys I didn't do anything aside from my concealer, I'm so happy. I'm so impressed. Like, the quality of this lace, honey, is feeling like it's a human hair unit. Like, I can't even like express how excited I am about this unit, honestly, and about Outre's improvements, because y'all know they have been my number one synthetic company, and this is why they are the trendsetters. Like, Sensational, sit back, take notes. Like, you're still riding the wave of your name, but you need to get it together and hop on the Outre boat, because Outre is a company I feel like listens to what it is we want and need from them, and they just keep bringing us what we need to be brought. They're giving us the good prices. They're giving us the good quality hair. They're giving us the nice hairlines. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about a good quality, easy throw on and go synthetic wig, honey. Girl, if you are not like wig savvy at all, I'm telling you, this 5x5 is the way to go, honestly. So as far as the cap size on this unit, this one definitely is coming off small and medium head friendly. This does have some definite stretch to the cap, so I would say if you have a large size head, this one is possibly one that you can get away with wearing, especially because, like I said, it's a 5x5 closure wig, so you don't have to worry about the ear-to-ear lace anyway. So I do think if you have a larger size head, that you can get away with wearing this one. My head is 22 to 22 and a half inches in circumference. I haven't adjusted the straps or anything at all, and I feel like it's fitting how it should be fitting, girl. So on the stock card, it does not list if it's heat safe or not, so I definitely would be cautious if you do plan on going in and adding heat to this one. I would just keep it on a lower setting. But from what I'm seeing, I didn't need the heat. Like, I may look a little bit bumpy here, but that's because my hair's not braided underneath. I didn't need any heat added to necessarily get it to lay flat on the side. It laid pretty flat, and I just needed to go with my bristle brush and just brush it down, and it's sitting like, this is such a natural look, y'all. I am absolutely all here for it. So I'm gonna just jump right into the cons and the pros of this unit. And if y'all know me, you know, like, Outre, I don't have no cons when it comes to this unit, girl. I'm so happy because I had lower expectations, just like I said, because it's a 5x5 closure wig. But honey, they surpassed my expectations. This is what I'm looking for. I am loving this. This is what you need in your life, honey. So let me just pop right into the pros of it. The hairline. Number one, the hairline, honey. The quality of the hair, the fact that this was definitely super throw on and go. This is definitely beginner friendly. Like, this unit, the style, the sleekness, the fact that this is giving me everyday hair vibes, the quality of the hair, the texture of the hair, the density. If you're looking more for a natural density unit, honey, we about to be catfishing in these streets talking about, is that your hair? You're like, yep, honey, I just got a silk press. Like, girl, y'all go run and pick this unit up, because I'm telling you, Outre just went above and beyond. Like, they are surpassing my expectations. I'm so excited about this unit, and I feel like if you guys pick this up, you will not be disappointed, honey. And that's pretty much what I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If it was, just make sure you give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want to pick up in any other colors, honey. And until then, I hope to see you guys soon. Bye.